हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम कंटिन्यू करेंगे। पार्ट 1 में मैंने इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर आपको पढ़ाया था विद द लोकेशन ऑफ हार्ट and mostly I have discussed about the blood vessels which are associated with the heart. In today's class I will discuss about the valves present in our heart. वीडियो अंत तक ज़रूर देखिएगा, like it, share it and of course subscribe it students. So let us start with the valves present in our heart. Now what is the meaning of this valve? Valve are the structure which usually allow unidirectional flow of the fluid. मतलब एक फ्लूइड जब एक जगह से दूसरी जगह फ्लो करता है तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि वो हमेशा एक ही डायरेक्शन में करे. देर इज़ अ चांस दैट फ्लूइड में बैक फ्लो वापस से उसी जगह पे बैक फ्लो कर सकता है. सो टू प्रिवेंट द बैक फ्लो ऑफ द फ्लूइड एंड टू अलाउ यूनिडायरेक्शनल फ्लो ऑफ दैट फ्लूइड, दिस वाल्व्स आर प्रेजेंट. हमेशा याद रखिए, वाल्व्स prevent backflow, allow unidirectional flow. Okay, so let us start with the first valve present in our heart are the two cuspid valves. These are two cuspid valves. They have cusp like structure. So if the valve has three cusps, it is called tricuspid valve. अभी ये जो ट्राइकस्पिड वाल्व है बच्चों, आप डायग्राम देखो, ये मैंने हाईलाइट किया है इसका लेबलिंग. दिस इज द ट्राइकस्पिड वाल्व. अगर आप डायग्राम देखोगे तो आप लोकेशन लिख सकते हो. इट इज बिटवीन राइट ऑरिकल एंड द राइट वेंट्रिकल, हेंस इट इज कॉल्ड राइट आर्ट्रियोवेंट्रिकुलर वाल्व. क्लियर है? लोकेशन बिटवीन राइट ऑरिकल एंड राइट वेंट्रिकल. सो yesterday I told you that right auricle receive deoxygenated blood. So from right auricle deoxygenated blood flow into right ventricle. Kindly follow the arrow I have shown. So this tricuspid valve is allowing unidirectional flow of deoxygenated blood from right auricle to right ventricle and prevents the backflow. जैसे ये blood auricle से ventricle में आता है, ये कप्स बंद हो जाता है to prevent backflow. So मैंने यहाँ पे फंक्शन लिख दिया, आप पढ़ सकते हो. allow unidirectional flow of deoxygenated blood from right auricle to right ventricle, hence prevents the backflow. Moving on to left side. At the left side of the heart, another cuspid valve is present. This one. This is the cuspid valve and this cuspid valve has two cusps. So it is called bicuspid valve. Another name is mitral valve, M-I-T-R-A-L, mitral valve. Now location, it is present between left auricle and left ventricle. So like this tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve is also preventing backflow of blood and allow unidirectional flow of oxygenated blood. Remember this, from the left auricle to the left ventricle. I have written the function here. Please see it. So it allow unidirectional flow of oxygenated blood from this left auricle to left ventricle and prevent their backflow. Another valves are there. So these are the two cuspid valve. कभी कभी क्वेश्चन आता है नेम टू cuspid valve, तो आपको लिखना है tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve. डिफरेंस अगर आए tricuspid और bicuspid का, please avoid writing that tricuspid has 3 cusps and bicuspid has 2 cusps. No, write the difference on the basis of their location and function. Next, moving on to semilunar valves. Semilunar valves are pocket shaped valve. Okay, so there are two semilunar valves present. I have highlighted here. आप देखो ध्यान से, ये है pulmonary artery. तो pulmonary artery के एकदम बेस पे ये semilunar valve है. So this is called pulmonary semilunar valve, present at the base of pulmonary artery, or you can write it is present at the opening of right ventricle into the pulmonary artery. Now this also prevents backflow of blood. अभी देखिए यहाँ एरो क्या दिखा रहा है, एरो दिखा रहा है कि blood is moving in upward direction, right? So there is it is going against the gravity, so there is a chance that blood may backflow, right? So to prevent this backflow, this pulmonary semilunar valve is there. When blood is moving in upward direction, ये वाल्व बंद हो जाता है ताकि वापस फिर ब्लड राइट वेंट्रिकल में नहीं आ जाए. सो अलाउ यूनिडायरेक्शनल फ्लो ऑफ or prevent backflow of deoxygenated blood again into right ventricle. Fourth valve is aortic semilunar valve. So this one, this is the aorta, and at the base of aorta, aortic semilunar valve is present. Again, it is preventing backflow of oxygenated blood into the left ventricle. Okay. Now students, two more points you have to know here, that this cuspid valve, they are held in position with the help of certain cord like structures, and those cord like structures are known as chordae tendineae. तो अगर हम यहाँ से इस तरह से कॉर्ड की तरह कुछ स्ट्रक्चर अगर दिखाए, so these are the chordae tendineae. Chordae tendineae. What is this? These are the cord-like structure which holds the tricuspid and bicuspid valve in position. उसका जो ये जो cuspid valve खुलता है, बंद होता है, this is all regulated by this chordae tendineae. And this chordae tendineae itself arises from some muscles, and these muscles are called papillary muscles. Okay. So इस तरह से बहुत सारे papillary muscles होते हैं. Papillary muscles का location last year ICSE में आया था. What papillary muscle arises from the walls of ventricle. ये ventricle का wall है, तो papillary muscles जो है ना, वो ventricle के wall से आता है. एक बार हम फिर से रिपीट करते हैं. Papillary muscle arises from the walls of ventricles, and this papillary muscles, it is attached with the chordae tendineae. Chordae tendineae is attached with papillary muscle, and it is holding the cuspid valve in position and prevents its overturning. So this is all about the internal structure of heart. In the next video, I will discuss about the working of the heart. Please go through both the videos, part 1 and part 2 for this year ICSE and CBSE exam. This is very, very important. Kindly watch the video, like it, share it with your friends so that they also get benefited by this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.